Got you guys a late night hack, Milwaukee hack, killer deals on these. Big shout out to Ben at Deal Team 6. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way to rest the platform by subscribes and likes. Alright, so yeah, I know it's late, but if you guys get this in the morning, good morning. Alright, so M18 lithium brushless cordless 1-inch SDS Plus D-handle rotary hammer, high output 12 amp hour battery. Alright, so here are the hacks. This is free gift with purchase. 448. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. I'm gonna leave you guys links to all this down below in the description section of this video. By the way, you can select the high output starter kit with the 8 amp hour battery rapid charger. So you're getting that 12, and you're gonna be getting this 8 as well. So that's actually a pretty dang good deal. Let me see. Add to cart. Alright, let's see. Alright, so for the 8 amp hour battery, which is a really good deal, these batteries are really expensive. $160 down from $249. That's really good deal, 36% off. Check this out. The SDS and the 12 amp hour is down to $287 from $448. Definitely check it out. 36% off on this one. And by the way, if you guys, there's more hacks available. Let's see if it'll let us click on this. Yeah, it did let us click. Alright, so if you guys go down here, I'll leave you guys the link to this too. This is the 8 amp hour starter kit with the battery and rapid charger. So this one's $249. You guys go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna be able to select from the SDSD handle with the what is that called? Angle grinder. I always say it, but I forget. Alright, so $469 on that one. Plus the hack, obviously. And then this one's the 12 amp hour battery and the belt sander. So that one's pretty good deal. That one's gonna be half off as well. Well, not half off, but you're gonna get a nice discount on that one. This one's the belt sander and the jigsaw. The 12 amp hour battery and the angle grinder. And then you got the bandsaw and angle grinder again, and those are all the ones that they have. Alright, I'm gonna punch in this one because I'm more interested in those. So Apple 2 card, see what it says. Alright, so for the battery and charger, it's gonna be 204. So you guys look at the price differences, and it's not giving me a discount for this one, obviously because we have more in the card. Now, let's clear the card real quick. Let's see if it gives us remove items. Let's see if it gives us a nice discount. Alright, so back down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the the angle grinder we said. And those time to stock up on those 12 amp hour batteries, by the way. Alright, so $441. $200 a piece. Not the greatest deal on this one, by the way, to tell the truth. $177. That's actually a pretty good deal. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. There's a lot of good stuff in there. If you guys find some more, let us know in the comment section. If you guys find some more hacks or deals like this, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.